New just listed home, 606 Dolly Drive, Brandon, Florida, by Bobby Lambert from the Military Veteran Team. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath home on a spacious 1,672 square feet lot offers comfort and convenience. Inside, the spacious living room is large and cozy, perfect for entertaining friends and family. The modern kitchen, perfectly connected, features stone countertops and stainless steel appliances. The split layout includes a master suite with a walk-in closet, plenty of space, a private full bathroom, and a sophisticated design. In addition, the 3 additional bedrooms offer plenty of space, a perfect layout, and full bathroom. Outside, enjoy a spacious terrace, ideal for activities with family and friends, and a private backyard. Contact us and make it yours.